Hello once again dudes, my name is Mill and welcome to another CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be working with how to add shadow to a text. Now in the last tutorial, and I'm actually going to put this in a paragraph because we're going to be needing it like that. In the last tutorial we learned how to add shadows to our box basically. But what if we want to have it on the text? Well, that's for now. So basically what I want to do is I want to create an ID that's named text, and we're going to give this some properties. Give it a font. I'm going to make it bold, 30 pixel, Verdana. Looks pretty fine. And a text align of sender. So let's go ahead and we gotta add the ID here to the paragraph. So let's go ahead and refresh it, and this looks pretty cool. So I wanna have a bigger width. Give it 220. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna call it Shadow Dude. That's a new name. Alright. So basically what we'll need to do now is to add a tag called text shadow, and this is different from this is not a WebKit option, so I don't know if it works in another one. But again, we're going to use some of the same properties that from the WebKit up here. Red, green, blue, yeah. And add a parenthesis saying again, and this basically does the same thing, so I don't feel like explaining it again because it was pretty insane. And I'm gonna make it 3 pixel, 3 pixel, and 3 pixel. So let's go ahead and save it and refresh it, and as you can see now adds shadow. So basically what this is doing, it's telling it should be bold and 30 pixel with Dana. That's not important. It's gonna put it in the center, but it's going to have the shadow of red, green, blue, which makes it this nice gray color, and this is going to correct it so it is gray, and it's going to be 3 pixel on every side, so it pushes downward like it did before. So we can go ahead and make these pixels bigger to have more shadow. So you see the shadow gets bigger and bigger, and let's make it 10. See a big difference, and let's refresh it, and it's now you can see it's not as clear but still very big. So again, this is only among the few awesome options you have while working with CSS3, and it's getting better and better, believe me guys. And I don't like that orange background actually. I want to have it blue, and let's refresh it. Yeah, that's look. Nah, that's not as good. What about not that red maybe? No, that's not good either. What about navy? Let's see. It's not what. Yeah, that looks pretty awesome. So basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. And remember, all those shadow things and rounded things I just teach you in these 3 tutorials, they're very useful and very important. Remember them. And remember, you can use this shadow, and I can't remember if we just remove the text part and just call it shadow. No, that's not how it works. Can't remember how it works, but the text shadow can always be used. So basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and this pretty awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.